Hello people, greetings from wherever you're watching right now. In this video, I will show you how to create talking avatars using an AI tool. With this method, you can create AI presenters and talking heads easily. If you're ready, let's get started.
So guys, head over to d/id.com. d-id.com. This is the landing page. This is how it looks. So quickly we click on try now. It's free. So once you click on it, it takes you to this particular place where you are still going to click on start now. It's free again. Takes you straight to the studio. Before that, you're going to supply some information to them real quick. So it takes you here. This is the studio. You can decide to create video here, or you click on this one. So we'll click on that one, create video. Here we are going to impute our script. So I'm just going to type in the script real quick that we are going to use. Once that is done, select the language. In this case, I'm selecting my country, and then the voice. So I'm going to select a voice. You can decide to select any kind of voice here that applies to you. So once that is done, once you're satisfied with all of that, you come here. These are the avatars. These are the avatars. First the presenters, and then the other ones that are just talking heads. So all of these avatars are usable, but I want to switch it to generate AI presenter. So once you click on that, it takes you here. This place is only for the talking heads. There are quite a number here, so I'll quickly select this one for these demonstrations. When I select that one, I will click on generate video. So once you click on generate video, in a matter of seconds it will show here it's ready to generate. So click on generate video again, and in a matter of seconds you already have the video generated like so. So once you click on it,
hello people, greetings from wherever you're watching right now. In this video, I show you how to create talking avatar using an AI tool. I'm Joe, your tech handyman. Remember to subscribe to my channel, as your support means the world to me. Let's get started already. So
guys, once you are done that way, you can click here to download. But if for any reason you are not satisfied, you can delete it. But I think we are satisfied with this one, so just click on download to get it onto your device. So guys, take time out to try these out. Try different kinds of things that you can create. All your creations will appear in this particular place. Thank you for watching this particular video.